I was struggling with finding some time for my photography, but I finally did it. I don't care about the weather, if it's raining, if it's snowing. I really needed to just go there with my camera, and that's it. And I'm very happy. I hope this will encourage you to do the same. Because, after all, the best thing you can do and give for a photographer is time. Like, for example, right now, I have my phone in my hand, camera in my backpack, and I'm going for some high quality time, one-on-one, me, myself, and I, and my camera, just sitting in the forest. So let's see why is it important and why you should give something like that to one of your loved ones if they are into photography. My god, it's icy. Hello guys and welcome. As you can see, it was very windy and I didn't think about going actually into the forest. I was just sitting outside because I wanted a nice background view with some landscape. That was a bad idea. Watch me and leave me a comment. What do you think about all of that? If you are looking for a gift for a photographer, consider giving him or her the gift of time. It may be strange, but keep listening and you will understand why. Not only is photography a creative outlet, but it can also help you relax, distress, and detach from the current time. Taking a break from screens, monitors, news, and daily distractions to focus on composing an image can be just simply therapeutical. The act of taking a photo can get you out of your head into just the present moment to feel life as it is right now without all that noise that the regular day-to-day life is having. We could even call it a form of a mindfulness, where you are fully immersed in the experience of taking an image or making a photo shoot, and that's only the single thing that counts right now. And of course, if you are a creative soul, you like to create stuff. Like when you are creating an image and you are happy with this, you are proud, you feel accomplishment, and you don't even have to have a lot of likes on your Instagram or somewhere else. Just the image that you like because you created it gives you a lot of power and a lot of happiness because you are just simply fulfilled by the form of creation. Additionally, being alone with our camera, of course if it is not a portrait session, makes us just simply think one-on-one just with ourselves. We can leave behind work, the stress, our boss, our office, after hours, traffic jams. There is nothing else. We can be with our thoughts alone. And usually when you have a lot of time on your own, with yourself, you come to some conclusions. Usually they are very good, and all the problems that you should be solving for your life, this is the time when can it happen. So it is not only helping us creatively, but also mentally. It's just mental health issues. We can be with ourselves, we can understand ourselves better, and create in the process. There is so many things we can do just by sitting with the camera, so please try to understand that we need this. So there you have it. This is my idea. Hope it will help you. I know it did help me a lot. And yeah, that's it for today. Let's see some images, and later on we will talk about affinity and how you can batch process automatically all the images you can think of. See you later. And now we can go with the images. I must say they are not perfect by any stretch of imagination, but I just felt like doing anything is better than nothing, and at least I spent some time in nature. It was dark, it was cold, it was windy, like the worst winter you can possibly imagine, and there wasn't even that much snow, pretty much nothing at all. So there's that. It doesn't have to be perfect, but at least I was there, I did some photos, I had time for myself. I'm so grateful.